Hey, what's up guys, this is Junaid from Everythingsmartphone, and today I have with me the CUBOT P20 for the purpose of unboxing. So here it is on my desk. This is one of the best affordable smartphones from Chinese manufacturers. As you can see, this phone has a large display of about 6.18 inch to be precise. It has a beautiful notch on the top of the screen. It comes with 4000 mAh battery. So these specifications are kind of cool, and they are the only attributions of a flagship model phone. But this phone comes in a very low price segment. So here it is on my table. You can see the black solid box. On the top of the box you can see the brand name P20 is written in golden color. If you turn the back side around, we will see the basic specifications of the phone. So the phone has got 6.18 inch full FHD plus display, the resolution being 2246 by 1080 pixels. We have notch screen IPS LCD display. The processor is MT6750C octa-core processor that talks at 1.5 GHz. For the internal storage, we have 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. The back side has dual camera. They are 20 megapixels and 2 megapixels respectively, and they have Samsung sensors integrated. The front camera is about 13 megapixels, and the phone is running on Android 8.0 Oreo as operating system. The battery capacity is about 4000 mAh, and we also have a fingerprint sensor on the back side. So here it is. I got the black version. This phone is also available in denim dark blue or twilight black. So these are the basic information about this phone. So let's get started with the unboxing. So in the box we can see the CUBOT P20 itself. We have the micro USB data cable, the power adapter from CUBOT, quick start manual guide and other notes. The SIM injection tool is here, the transparent silicone case that is soft. So that's what we have in the box. So here it is. You can see the CUBOT P20 in my hand. It does not look like a regular smartphone, but it looks somewhat similar to Pablet. The phone is about 8.5mm thick and it weighs 160 grams to be precise. The display is about 6.18 inches diagonally. We have slightly rounded edges on all four sides. The glass back side picks up a lot of fingerprints and that, so you need to cover it with the soft transparent silicone case. So be aware of that. Overall, the design is a flagship one, and you will not be disappointed at all if you consider buying this phone. You can buy this phone for only about $169.99 on CUBOT.com. I will provide the link in the description below. So I also advise you to stay connected with me. I will publish the full review very soon. Thank you.